Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Look what I've been given. Let me open it and see what it is and what I get inside. Before I start, can I ask, if you haven't already, would you please subscribe, then ring my bell so that you'll get notifications when there is more to see from Biker Stuff. This is an SGS SPW100. It's designed to be bench mounted, but I think I will get a rack made for it and screw it to the wall. That way I don't have to waste any of my working space and can save it for when I need other things mounted on the bench. The manual says it has a maximum working capacity of 15 litres of cleaning fluid and pumps 90 litres an hour. This washer nozzle is flexible. The working tray is removable and the pump has a waterproof switch here on the side, which is nice. The folding support holds the lid out of the way when not in use. It isn't a big tank, as you can see. It is meant for cleaning smaller parts, as it is only 395 millimetres wide, 290 millimetres deep and 210 millimetres tall. The tank is made in China and there are many others that probably come out of the same factory. I know this one is the same as the Clark CW2D, the Draper 79640, the Sealy SM21 and several more. So do your research and find the best deal you can, as they all vary in price, yet they are all the same machine with a different paint job and badge. Once I've had a wall bracket made for it, I'll get myself some cleaning brushes, maybe a small parts tray and of course some cleaning fluid. I hope you have found this useful. Click on the link above to see other parts I've opened on biker stuff for you to see. Thank you for watching. I know you liked it, so tell your friends and I'll see you next time here on Biker Stuff.